Hey y'all, this is Lena from What's Poppin' USA, the Small Business Home Shopping Network, and I am walking around my house peeved on a total rant about my contractor, my siding contractor, who I paid at the end of October over $21,000. He didn't have to finance this with me. He got checks and he got direct deposits into his shit. $21,000. I could have done this shit by myself. Like, for real. What? Your contractor's lazy. He didn't feel like working today. Who the hell does that? You see that? And that's mouse bait. Look at that. Over on the other side. Look at that. This is my garage door right here. It is unfinished. Look at this. I'm not sure if he's coming today. I'll have to find out. But then I never get a freaking phone call until like 2 or 3 days later. And what does he say? Oh, Helena? My name is Helena, not Helena. Helena, are you mad at me? Fuck yes I am. I don't want to hear that I'm next. No, motherfucker, I should have been first because I paid you over $21,000 to do my goddamn house and it's still not finished. And to boot, y'all men fucked up some stuff while they were here that they shouldn't have. Parts of my house don't have insulation because of y'all. Brand new gutters that I just had installed 2 weeks before you came, y'all dented and scratched up. I am beyond livid with your company. Look at the side. So again, is this what I paid $21,000 for? And then, do I just see caulk slapped up underneath there? What the fuck is that doing there?